First up, we'll talk about why data is AI's foundational fuel. Then we'll hit the great database divide. After that, we'll look at SQL for structure and reliability, and then NoSQL for scale and speed. Finally, we'll bring it all together to help you think about choosing the right foundation for your AI. All right, let's start with AI's foundational fuel. And look, it's impossible to overstate this. Databases are the absolute bedrock. Without a solid, reliable way to manage information, all those fancy machine learning models, well, they'd have nothing to learn from. It's like trying to build a skyscraper without a foundation. Okay, so what is a database, really? I mean, at its heart, it's just a collection of information. But the key thing is that it's set up so you can easily access, manage, and update that information. And the whole thing is controlled by a piece of software called a database management system, or a DBMS. Honestly, the best way to think about it is like a super organized digital filing cabinet for literally everything an AI needs to know. Okay, now for the great database divide. Because here's the thing, not all those digital filing cabinets are created equal. Not even close. In the world of data, there's this huge split in philosophy on how to organize information. And that brings us to the two big families you absolutely need to know, SQL and NoSQL. So on one side of this divide, you've got SQL databases. The best way to picture these is like a perfectly organized library. Every single piece of information has a specific place, on a specific shelf, and everything is interconnected in a really logical way. They're all about structure, reliability, and making sure the data is rock solid and consistent. Then, on the other side, you have NoSQL. This is, well, it's more like a collection of digital folders where you can just toss anything in. Text, images, videos, you name it. There's no rigid structure. These guys are built for pure speed, flexibility, and handling just insane amounts of all kinds of different data.